Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to make a fool of myself basically. I'm going to show you all the different hairstyles that I used to do when I was a kid, when I was a child. Yeah, so I'm not only just going to show you like the hairstyles that were like iconic, like you saw this hairstyle and you thought of Lesél, but also the one product that I used to use basically all throughout elementary school when I started doing my hair myself. So this was the first product that I used and basically fell in love with. I do not recommend this product at all. Do not use it. There are some alternatives, but I'll talk about that at the end of the video. Alright, welcome to my lovely bathroom once again. So right now I just have a deep conditioner in my hair, and the first style we're going to do is French braids or Dutch braids. My grandma used to do this for me whenever I would have gym class in school. So first things first, let's get this deep conditioner out of our hair. That was a nice transition. So deep conditioner is out, and now the holy grail product I was talking about is this Dove Style and Care Curl Mousse. It does have a hold of 2. It comes out more of a creamy texture, I would say, than regular mousses. It does have a nozzle that you would see more used for baking. So what you're going to need for this hairstyle is 2 hair ties, obviously, and you're going to split your hair down the middle in half and then tie up one end. I put the mousse all into one side of my hair and then go ahead and start French braiding it. So for those of you who don't know French braids, the braids go over top of each other, whereas Dutch braids go underneath. I think French braiding is easier when you're doing it on someone else, and Dutch braids are a lot easier doing it on yourself. I prefer doing Dutch braids for myself anyways. As you can see, the first one came out horribly because I completely forgot how to French braid. And then just use a little bit of extra mousse and go ahead and flatten out the top half so there's not as many flyaways. Okay, iconic Lesél is the slip back low ponytail. So you're just going to need a paddle brush or any brush that you have that has bristles on it, and go ahead and brush back all your curls so it's at the bottom of your neck. Tie it up, and then I would go in with the mousse and just slick it down the top and all throughout the ponytail. This is how I used to do it beforehand. Now I would put all the product in my hair first, then slick it back, but you know, you live and you learn. This is what I did 24/7 all the way up until grade 8, and this hairstyle to this day still makes me cringe. Okay, this one's OG Lesél, finger coiled hair or comb coiled hair. My grandma and my mom used to do for me anytime we used to go out when I was little. So what I did for this one was a complete fail because I just can't do this hairstyle anymore. I just don't know how to do it. So I tried putting the mousse in my hair and then combing it through with the comb. I thought I had to pull it all the way through with the comb on it. And then I had to go and ask my mom how she did it, and she said she just used the comb as a guide to kind of just coil my hair. They didn't use mousse in my hair then, they used a different product, more like a curl activator, but you can't remember the brand's name. Yeah, my hair just, it's not up to this right now. I tried for a little bit, and then eventually I just said, you know what, it's just not happening with how my hair is right now. So maybe I'll try it again in a few years when my hair is a bit healthier again. Okay, lastly is how my hair usually is now, which is open. or this is how my mom used to say it, why don't you open your hair, because it always used to be tied back. But yeah, so for this, I legitimately would just put a lot did I mention a lot of mousse in my hair, trying to get it everywhere. I probably didn't even section. I probably just put it in, flipped my hair over, put it in more, flipped it over, just doing the whole 9 yards. But yeah, I would just do that and then let it air dry. Oh, by the way, all of these hairstyles were air dry, no diffusing, no nothing. All of them always used to air dry. So I would go to school with my hair soaking wet because I did it every single morning. What was funny was during the winter time, I would show up to school and there would legitimately be ice crystals in my hair. I can't believe I put all those pictures of me when I was smaller on the internet for everyone to see. So I hope you guys liked the little flashback throwback of me when I was a kid. Burnt those now. Yeah, so those were 3 in 1 failed hairstyle that I used to do all the time when I was little. Pretty much how my hair used to be 24/7. So I can't even do that hairstyle anymore without basically cringing at the fact that this is how my hair used to be the whole time I was a child. Mousse is like a great product to use in your hair, especially if you're a one product type of person. I feel like it's an all-around type of product. However, I do not recommend that Dove mousse. It does have a lot of bad things in it. Like, it has silicone in it, not to mention it has alcohol in it. Like, we don't want that in our natural hair. We don't want that in our hair, period. It doesn't matter if you're natural or not. You don't want, why are you putting alcohol in your hair? Do you want it to dry out? So there are a bunch of alternative options. Like you saw, I did purchase recently the Curl Talk mousse. No, I have not used it out as yet, but I am planning on doing a sort of first impressions review on it, not just the mousse but also the other styling products. So there's also I know Shea Moisture makes a good mousse serum. Let's not use mousse in our hair that has alcohol in it. Let's not do that anymore, okay? Okay, it was for the sake of this video, so don't come for me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you did like it, subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos, and comment down below what you want to see next from me. I'm pretty much just trying to film as many videos and put out as much content for you guys at this point in time. You know, takes my mind off a lot of things. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.